Hello, my name is Faris and you join me here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham. Today I'm going to be taking you on a 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen Transporter Sportline in the long wheelbase. This panel van comes finished in the solid paint colour candy white. The vehicle features a 2.0 TDI diesel engine pushing out 204 PS. Power is delivered through a smooth 7-speed DSG automatic transmission. Across the front of the vehicle we'll find a set of LED headlamps with LED daytime driving lights. The Sportline features a red contrast stripe across the radiator grille, as well as an enhanced front bumper complete with some high gloss black insert, as well as some front parking sensors. Down below the vehicle sits on a set of 18-inch Sportline alloy wheels finished in a gloss black colour. The van features a rear roof spoiler across the tailgate. Helping you park and manoeuvre, there is a rear view reversing camera located just above the rear number plate, as well as a set of rear parking sensors dotted along the rear bumper. Opening up the tailgate and taking a look into the load area of the vehicle, the load area comes with a rubber floor covering complete with a few lashing points dotted throughout the load area floor. This example also comes with a removable as well as lockable towbar, which can be stored over on the left hand side next to the jack. Access into the load area can also be found on the passenger side of the vehicle through a single sliding side load door. There's a step for easy access, and a full steel black bulkhead separates the load area from the cab. Up front in the cab itself we'll find two single seats, both with two armrests each. Both seats come finished in a blend of Napa leather and Alcantara with some red contrast stitching and some Sportline lettering. Moving over in the centre of the dash we'll find an 8-inch colour touchscreen multimedia system surrounded by some gloss black fascia. This touchscreen allows you to access all your favourite DAB radio stations, connect your smartphone device, as well as access the inbuilt navigation. Beneath the touchscreen we'll find two front heated seats as well as climatic air conditioning controls, and the driver has access to a 3-spoke multifunction leather trimmed steering wheel as well as a digital cockpit system. That will conclude this 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen T32 Transporter Sportline panel van. Thank you very much for watching and goodbye.